is 5:38 a.m. Saturday, May 1st, and I'm on the way to the Myrtle Beach Marathon. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. I've wanted to run this marathon since I started running marathons, and I'm finally here. I'm excited. Let's do this. Geared up, got my bib on, race gear, headed to the starting line. Here it is, the biggest site. First marathon in over a year since Disney last year, and I'm really excited seeing all these people running together. It feels normal, it feels good. I'm excited to run with people.
Yep. Go get a marathon.
Let's go! Just past mile 6. 20 to go.
Yeah.
Here we go. We are at the halfway mark. There it is. 13 miles. 13 to go. Feeling good. Mile 20. 6 more to go. Oh man, they got bananas up here. Almost there. Mile 24. 2 miles to go. Here it is. Finish line. Let's go.
And Tony from Dunn, North Carolina.
I did it.
Water?
Thanks, Nate.
Yeah, man. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good, Brian.
Thank you. Yeah. Looking good. 26 deep. 26.2. How you feeling, man?
I feel good, man. Honestly, I feel good, man. Obviously, the legs are
Yeah.
through right now, but
Yeah, right here. We all feel it. How you, man?
just proud of myself.
That's what counts. You did it. So after running 26 miles, there's only one important thing you should do. It's dive into a pool. That was cold. What?